Hey everyone! Today, we're going to unbox the new DJI Mini 3 drone. This drone falls under the 250-gram drone category. Let's get right into it. First off, let's open up the box. And guys, I have opened the box before, so this is a remake of the unboxing experience of the DJI Mini 3 drone. Now keeping the box aside. Here's the bag. It's a very nice, simple-to-use bag. It feels durable, and I'm confident the drone will be safe in here wherever I take it. So, it's a bag that has definitely stood the test of time. Now let's take everything out. I believe this is basically everything we get out of the bag. We can get rid of the silica gel. Yep, that's everything. Now let's unwrap everything. We have our main spotlight, the DJI Mini 3, the battery hub, the DJI RC controller. We get 3 pairs of the propellers. Each of the packets are labeled with the positions for replacement position, mentioning the Set A and Set B position. And we also get a screwdriver, which is very useful, and Type-C to micro USB and Type-C to Type-C cable. Additionally, we have a few instruction manuals and setup guides. Who on earth reads these? Let's keep them aside. Now, looking at the drone, it comes with a camera guard. Let's remove the guard and open up the drone arms. The back arm are pulled sideways to open them, and for the front arms, one have to twist them downward to open the arms. Beneath the gimbal, there were cushions and plastic wrap on the camera, which I've already removed. Now, let's talk about the DJI RC controller. It has a great build, and it has the inbuilt screen that makes the task much simpler, and it's comfortable to hold. Behind the controller, we have a pair of joysticks. Let's screw them in place. Now we have the charging hub. This little device lets you charge not just 1, but 3 batteries simultaneously. Yep, you heard that right. 3 batteries at once. And all the battery that come are under the 250-gram drone category, making it much simpler to fly without the license or registration. 1 battery comes with the drone itself, as all these batteries last up to 38 minutes of flight time on a single charge. That's it. That's what we get all out from the DJI Mini 3 Fly More Combo Kit.